Hi guys, my name is Wes Jones. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like hair tutorials, motorbikes, podcasts and everything in between, please hit subscribe now and hit the bell for notifications. In this video I'm going to talk about my top 5 expected haircuts and styles to come out of lockdown. So I believe this is going to be something that is determined from what you've done in lockdown. If you've been shaving your hair short to keep clean and to keep safe, then now is the time you might want to grow it back. There's a few ways you can do this. You can shave the sides, keep growing the top, have it messy, have it more textured, or you can keep it nice and clean. Keep shaving the sides and back until you've got enough hair on top to keep it nice and clean and a classic look. If you've been growing your hair in lockdown, first thing, good on you. Second thing, now you've got all the length to play with. You can be experimental. Why not grow it out, push it back, have a nice side parting or a nice slick back or something with a load of texture. Don't just feel like you've got to go to your barber straight away and get the whole lot off. These are some haircuts that have inspired me to want to get back to work and cut hair. So I hope you enjoy them too. If you find one that you like, screenshot it and then in the comments below put your number A, B, C, D or G. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. E. Put A, B, C, D or E in the comments below as I'd love to know what you've chose. If you want any more information on hair coming out of lockdown, follow me on Instagram at Wes_Jones. Send me a message and we can have a conversation about what your next haircut should be. If you like what you've seen, hit subscribe, hit the bell, wait for the notifications. We've got some amazing videos coming to you and I'd love to share them with you.